Yeah, I'm able to see Krishna.
Okay.
Confirm.
Okay, so we just yesterday we had tried with the different delimited and how to write onto the file, how to read from that file. So and we understand on sub job okay and all. So we'll continue on the same, and we have a different files. We know, right? It's like we'll have a Excel output positional file. So those also we have a components under file folder. So how we are going to configure and how we are going to create a files. Again, it's going to the same practice. You have to take that different types of file components and you have to write and read. So for practice purpose, you can try a number of things. We'll see few and other things you can start using the like a help, and if you want to try with the different file types you can try. So now I'm going to take a Excel output. So I want to write data onto the Excel output. So how to search that Excel output? You have to go to the palette. You can search with T Excel output. If you are already aware of this, where it is going to be, right? So you no need to search this. You can just go to the file folder. Where is the file folder? You can find file folder and you want to write. So you want to write onto the file, you have to choose the output. There you can find all the types of files which are available, each and every technology. So you can find the output files. So there you can select we want to use the output. So where is the output Excel? So here is our output Excel. So what are the things we have? Whenever you drag the component, go to the component settings, you can start checking what are all the things. So Windows 7, if the version of MS Office, if you want that format, you can select that Windows 7. Or it is going to be Excel, you just leave it as it is. And you want to give the specific the sheet name, you have to provide the sheet name. And as usual, if any output file, any input file, if the file has input like a header, then you have to select the header, skip, like right, skip the header. Or if you are writing under the file, you want to write with the header or without a header, you can have to select that checkbox. And append existing file, this option we have already seen, right? Same, if you are writing under the file, you want to keep append to that file. So if you want to like update with latest records or data, it's a file, it's a flat file, it's not going to update, it just keep append the data. So whatever data you want to keep append existing file, then you have to select this option. So is ls absolute y s position. So positions you want to keep as it is, then you have to use this. And define columns auto size. So automatically the size of the, based on the width of the content, you want to make the cell as much as. So then you have to select this option. Like this, you can find what are all the options, and then you go to the advanced settings, you can find what can be used here. So here also same, the don't generate empty file option, and create if directory does not exist. So where you are locating that path, if there is no folder available, you can select this. Automatically the code will whenever it is writing, it will look for that directory exist or not. If not exist, it will try to create. So if already exist, it won't do anything. Like that, you have to option. And if you have any numbers, so if you'll have a salary double, like a kind of numeric decimals, then you have to select that separator, how you want to separate that thousands. So we'll put generally, right, one, like if it is a 1 lakh, we'll put 1 comma 2 zeros comma 3 zeros, like that. If you want to put some like a separator between the positions, like precisions or positions, you can select the precisions, always will use a dot. And other before that, you want to, like uh, you want to specify any specific separator, then you can select here. Default will use a comma, right? So that's where they are giving default as a comma, and decimals position separator as a dot. Like this, whenever you drag any component, you have to see what can be configured and what are all things you are expected when your output file is generated. So now I'm going to create a one more exercise. So now we can copy. You want to copy T row generator. So all everything is configured. So I'm copying that T row generator and I'm pasting here, and you see all the configuration, whatever we configured is exist or not. Yes, we have all the things, and I want to write onto the Excel. So select the output Excel component. Now you are familiar with the component name, so you can directly type onto the palette. So you'll get that